ang parliamentary immunity from arrest does not apply because kanang rule applies only if the imposable penalty is 6 years or less, no? Na kini bugat man ni crime against humanity. Now, number two, kanang ICC warrant, although dili na issued by a local court, has the force that can become the basis for the arrest, no? Kay lagi kuan kita, no, we are part of the Interpol. Ang kanang ICC order is supported by a local law, Republic Act 9851, even if the Philippines had already withdrawn from the Rome Statute, no?